Okay, so something I wanted to show you was most of us just use one of these to brush off our car or truck, and I have a broom, a big broom I use, and then I have a floor broom that I bought. It's real soft, it's for wood floors, so it doesn't scratch up the car. But what I found was, after brushing off a car or two in real cold weather, this just turns to ice. It's just one big ice ball. So that's where these things come in. They're like 2-foot pieces of styrofoam. It's called a Snow Pro. You'll see them made by other companies too. But it's short, it's only like 2 feet long. It takes forever to brush off a car or truck. So what I did was I put a long board on the back here. The board's probably 3 foot. Then I added some styrofoam to the edges, and then I just duct taped it on there. Drilled a hole in the board, and then I tried a regular broom handle. It just wasn't long enough, and I tried those paint, and then I tried those paint roller extenders, and they work, but they're not strong enough. So I found this at Lowe's. It's just a long pole. It was pretty expensive, about 24 bucks. But it's 4 foot to 8 foot, and it's got a real strong extension here. It's easy. There's a nice big button, so you can use it with gloves. It's nice heavy duty aluminum, so it's not going to break. So I'm going to screw this on here like this. My hole there is barely big enough. This is the first time I used this, so I figured I'd do a video on it before I scratched it all up. It's in there, but the hole in the wood there is not quite big enough. It made it. And then I usually put foam, pipe foam, on most of my tools. I don't scratch up the surface of the car and truck. And then sometimes I glue them on. Just put a strip of glue on the inside. Wrap some duct tape around the outside. It helps. Okay. But for now, just for the sake of the video, we'll do it like this. See, you really got to anchor it because it flops around. This is wet, heavy snow. This is wet, heavy snow. This is wet, heavy snow we're working with today. This is probably a little too long, so you could probably cut it down to like 3 foot. Let's see where it's at here. Even on the pickup truck it was kind of big. It's 2 foot 10 inches, so I could probably cut it back to like 2 foot 5 inches. It'd probably be okay. Seems just a bit long, trying to get up over the hood of the truck and the windshield. I guess on the car it works real good. Okay, so this pole made by Sherlock or Worcester Sherlock, kind of expensive, but it's something I think you probably only have to buy like once in a lifetime. It probably lasts a lifetime and then some. Okay, see ya. Bye.